In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set time frame on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between seconds, minutes, hours, and days, and how to set a custom interval so the chart matches your trading style. Start by opening the TradingView Mobile app. From the bottom navigation, tap Chart. This takes you to the full chart view, which is where all your time frame controls live. If your screen looks cluttered, don't worry. Focus on the small label at the bottom left of the chart. It shows the current time frame, like 1M, 1H, or 1D. Tap that label to open the time frame menu. Here you'll see options grouped by how granular you want to be. You can browse seconds for ultra short-term views, minutes for intraday trading, hours for broader intraday or short swing analysis, and days for higher level trends. Choose the one that best fits what you're analyzing right now. If you need to focus on a particular span of market history, use the date range option within this menu to quickly home in on a specific period without changing the overall chart setup. A quick tip as you choose: shorter intervals like seconds and minutes make each candle represent less time, so you'll see more noise but faster signals. Longer intervals like hours and days smooth out that noise, which helps with spotting trends and key levels. Remember, pinching or zooming the chart changes how much you see, but it doesn't change the time frame. You need to select it here. If the preset choices don't match what you need, you can also add a custom interval. Look for the option to add a custom interval, enter your preferred number, then pick the unit: seconds, minutes, hours, or days. Confirm it, and it will appear alongside your other choices so you can return to it whenever you like. That's it. Open the chart, tap the time frame at the bottom left, pick from seconds, minutes, hours, or days, and add a custom interval when you need something specific. Happy charting.